Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to do a DIY protein mask. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe if you haven't. So in this tutorial we're going to use avocado, egg, banana and black castor oil, and I'm going to be listing the benefits of each ingredient, so make sure you stay tuned and you learn all the benefits of this ingredient. And if you've reached this far, please consider subscribing. Thank you. So for avocado, it will moisturize, repair your hair. It is also used as a detangler. It contains vitamin B and E, which promote hair growth and prevent dryness. It also prevents hair loss, and the best part of this ingredient is, if you're a curly hair girl, it will regain your curls and your curls will become more stronger and more defined, especially for the people who are transitioning from texturized, or let's say heat damaged hair, to natural. It will really help in bringing back your curls, so make sure you get into it. Then we go straight to my egg. The egg contains vitamin A and E for hair growth, and it will make your follicles stronger, but since it contains protein, it supports hair growth. Oh my god, what am I saying? It enhances hair elasticity because it is rich in lutein. Yeah. And for my banana, it will prevent dandruff. For some reason it will prevent dandruff, I don't know why. It will prevent dandruff. And for the black castor oil, it is suitable for all hair types, moisturizes, thickens and rapidly increases your hair growth. And for me, according to my experience, this is what I usually use all the time when it comes to my hair. So when I tell you it works, it really works. Also, I forgot to mention, banana helps repairing in sun damaged hair. So please, baby girl, if you want your curls to pop and if you want to relieve all the damage, please get into this mask. Trust you me, you'll love it. So after this, we're going to be blending the whole mixture. The mixture is quite thick, by the way. I was having a hard time to blend it because I had to turn it with my spoon once in a while and all that, but it's all good. It's not much of a big deal, really. That's why you'll see I'm a bit confused but it's okay. You have to mix it up so that it can blend easily. You get me? Yeah, I know you get me. So I'll just be blending it throughout until I feel like it has a very smooth texture, because that's what you want to achieve. So here you see me adding a bit of water because I was really getting tired. So I just had to add a little bit of water to help smoothen the mixture. Don't add a lot because you want your mixture to be of the same consistency. You don't want it to be runny. Of course it will be runny, but you don't want it to be a little bit more runny, just a bit. It should have some content to it. I hope I'm making sense. You want it to be thick, exactly what I wanted to say. So now I'm done blending and I'm going to show you how it looks. Just look at that consistency. It is thick. That's how you want it. You want it to be smooth and thick so that you can apply it across your whole hair. So now I'm going to get into my hair. My hair was previously blow dried, so if you follow me on Instagram, of which I'll of course link it in my description, so make sure you go and check it. I announced to people that I'm going on a 4 month, is it 4 months or 5 months challenge? I'm not really sure, of no heat. So this is when I'm starting to transition from heat to no heat up to August. Yeah. So first of all, what you want to do is just roughly moisturize your hair with water. You don't not for it to be wet, you just want it to be damp. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding a bit of moisture, and after I've added the moisture, I'm going to apply the mask throughout my head. So you want it to be completely saturated in your hair. You're going to see me go in a few times, maybe more than 3, not sure, but you want your hair to be completely sealed with the mask. And you can see my hair is already starting to form its curls. It will take a bit of time, but your curls will definitely be curling up to a certain point. Like you can see my curls are already coming back, you know. That's what you want to achieve with that mask. So I'm just going to add until I feel like my hair is completely saturated with the mask, and then I'm going to put it in twists. Make sure also when you're applying, make sure you massage it into your scalp completely, so that maybe if you have dandruff, I really suffer with dandruff, by the way. If you have dandruff, it will help go a long way in preventing it. So make sure you massage it completely in your hair. You can see my curls are curling. So yeah, that's what you want to achieve. So I'll just put it in twists, and then I'll continue doing the rest of this. I'll continue doing this same thing all over my head. I wanted to show you guys how the curls are curling. Can you see what I'm talking about? This is what you want to achieve with this specific mask. So I'd suggest you continue doing it more often so that you can have the maximum curl definition that you want for your hair. Of course, it depends with your hair type. So yeah. Out of all that mixture we blended, that's what remained. As you've seen, I have really thick and voluminous hair, so I'll definitely use a lot of mask. I hope that's correct English. I don't even know. But for now, we're going to wrap our hair with the plastic wrap. The only reason I'm using a plastic cup is because I could not find my plastic shower cup. I normally use a shower cup, but in this case, since I cannot find it, I'll use my plastic paper wrap. And this is to help generate heat for your hair so that your hair can absorb the products well. And of course, you want to stay with the mask for a bit of some time. So for me, I stayed for around 2 hours until I washed it off. So you're just going to stay with the mask for 2 hours. Let the products absorb in your hair. Let it go deep into your scalp. And yeah, you're going to get the maximum result. And I can't wait to show you guys how my hair looks after 2 hours.
A few moments later.
So this is after exactly 2 hours, or 2 hours and some minutes, but not long, like let's say 5 minutes. That's how my hair looks like after the 2 hours. the smell is really subtle. Like, I cannot tell you it's bad or it's okay or it's good. It doesn't have an okay smell, but I don't mind the smell. It's not bad. That's what I'm trying to say. So my hair feels really soft up to this point, and I feel like everything has been absorbed into my hair. So we just wait and chill how my hair, and show you guys how my hair looks like in the shower after I've started rinsing off the mask. And guys, I can't wait for you to see what I'm talking about. It's going to shock you guys. I can't even wait. So if you've reached this far, please consider subscribing if you haven't, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post. So for now, I'm going to massage just a bit of the products in my hair so that, I can get the gist of how it feels. By then, my hair felt nice. My scalp felt so good, so good, so good. If you're a girl with an itchy scalp, you know what I'm talking about. My hair felt so good. So now, I'm just going to unravel the twists, because I don't want to wash my hair in twists today, because it has avocado and I want to rinse everything out. So that's why I'm unraveling my hair. Y'all can already tell that my hair looks and feels amazing. Guys, can you all see? Like, I don't know. I wish I could pass the texture to you guys via video. But yeah, right now I'm going to rinse my hair. Please ignore my face. I was just feeling good. Ignore my face. But right now I just want to rinse everything out of my hair. I don't want to remain with any avocado in my hair, please, child. No, we're not gonna do that. And guys, this is the part where I wanted to show you. Look at those curls. Look at those curls on it. I don't have such curls in my hair. I don't remember the last time I saw such curls in my hair, because I'm really transitioning from box dye to natural hair. Just look at what I'm talking about. When I tell you this mask is the GOAT, trust me, it is the GOAT, and y'all should get into it. Like, you guys, I was so happy when I saw this, because I'm like, this is what I'm going to be doing not on a daily basis, of course, but more often. I want you guys to see, especially the ends. Like, my curls don't even curl, but this time they did, and trust you me, they were curling. Oh my god, I really felt nice after saying this. So I'm just going to take you guys through the whole rinsing process, the whole washing process, and all that, because of course you want to shampoo your hair after this. Yeah, we don't want the smell. So yeah, just look at those curls. Guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you guys seeing what I'm saying? Like, of course, my curl definitions are more at the back than the front, because my hair is more damaged at the front and I'm transitioning. But y'all can really see what I'm talking about. The curls are curling, even without any product or whatever. That's what you want to achieve with your hair, especially for type 4 girls. This is what you should be achieving with your hair. For shampoo and conditioner, you can use whatever you want, but I've been using this for the longest time. I don't use high-end products, and they've been working for me. So yeah, you just see me shampooing and conditioning from hair, and my hair looks and feels so good. So this is after applying my conditioner, and I wanted to show you guys how my hair is just not tangled at all. Detangling is made easy by this mask, because avocado really helps in detangling. So everything will just be smooth and easy for you in your wash day routine. So if you're really looking to have an easy time while washing your hair, I'd really suggest for you to use this mask. And I really just look, it is just sliding, and I'm using an afro comb. So this is the following day. My hair felt nice, it was soft, it was silky, it was smooth, it was everything beautiful. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.